Good morning. It is time for a calendar, so go ahead and get your April calendar book back out and turn to, this should be the third page. It's got a slide and a kettle and a mouse or a rat, a dice, and a maze. So check for those pictures real quick and make sure you have the right one. Then we'll get started. All right, friends. Is it February, March, or April? Do you remember the month that we're in right now? We are still in the month of April. A, that's a long A sound, that long vowel sound. Go ahead and circle April. That's the last one with the long A sound. And yesterday was April 15th. So what comes after 15? If I'm counting, I would do 13, 14, 15, 16. And how do I make a 16? What's the first number in any teen number? 1, and then it's 16, so I'm going to put that 6 right next to it. 1, 6. All right, 2020. 2, 0 makes it 20. Check yours, make sure it looks like mine. Okay, April is the 4th month. January, February, March, April. 4th month. And it's the 16th, so I'm going to put a 16 in that next box. 1, 6, 20, 2, 0. Awesome job. And yesterday was Wednesday, so today is Thursday. Who's that impolite friend? Theo. What 2 letters does he have? T, H, This is a bossy R sound. It actually has the U in front of it with the R, and the R is making that U say just the R sound. S, and then day. How do we spell day? D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Check your work. Make sure you spelled Thursday correctly. It is Thursday. All right, let's look at these long and short vowel sounds. Slide. I. Good job. Hopefully you colored in that I. All right. This kettle is letting off some steam. Find the E. Good work. Rat. At. A. Dice. What vowel sound do you hear? I. Maze. A. All right, we're going to cross out the long vowels and circle the short vowels. Slide. That's a long vowel, so we're going to cross it out. Steam. Long vowel, we're going to cross it out. Rat. At. Short vowel, let's circle it. Dice. Long. And maze, long again. Oh, we have a pattern. X, circle. X. Okay, let's look at the sight word. H-E-L-P spells help. H-E-L-P, help. Let's trace it. H-E-L-P. What's the word? Help. Let's write it 2 times. Make sure you use little letters or lowercase letters. H-E-L-P, help. H-E-L-P, help. Remember that picture with the hands up in the air saying help. All right, our number of the day, a 1 and a 3. The 1 tells me it's a teen, and the 3 tells me it's 13. 13. So let's write 1, 3. Make sure you have 2 going around, 2 around, and that it's touching the top and the bottom. 1 around, down, around, down, around, down, around. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost every day I make 5. How many did you make today? Could you fit more than 5? Are you making enough space in there? Make sure they look nice and the 1 and 3 is close, and then a space before your next 1 and 3. All right. The mystery number. I am thinking of the number that comes before 15. Right before 15. So can you find the 15 down here? A 15 has a 1 and a 5. A 1 and a 5, and it's right there. Now, if we're finding the number that comes before, we have to move back 1. What number is that? Comes before 15, it's 14. Circle that 14. Good work. All right, we're going to do the 10 frame for the number 13. 1, 3. So we need to make how many 10s? 1 10. Let's fill up one of the 10s. There's my 10. And now I have how many left over? 3. So I'm going to put 3 over here in this 10 frame. So 10, 11, 12, 13. How many 10s did we fill up? 1. And how many were left over? 3. 13. All right, here comes those tricky tally marks because we have to count by 5s. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door again. Now let's count them. 5, 10. How many more am I going to need? Let's look at our number. We have 1 10. We already made a 10. And now we need 3 more. Just 3 more. 1, 2, 3. All right, so you should have 2 groups of 5 and 1 group of 3. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome. If you got it all correct, big star. And we will be back next week to do more calendar. Bye-bye.